Today we are exploring one of the best attractions in Langkawi, the Mangrove speedboat tour at Kilim Geoforest Park. I booked the Royal Mangrove tour prior to the arrival. It is recommended during the peak season. You can buy the ticket on site at the jetty. Trees are growing directly in seawater. These trees are very important because they protect the coastline from strong waves and prevent erosion and also create natural habitat for the wildlife. During the tour, you can also see natural limestone caves with unique rock formation. If you are lucky, you might spot monkeys alongside the river bank and eagles flying above the water. It is very peaceful yet adventurous, perfect for nature lovers and anyone who visits Langkawi for the first time. This is definitely the must-do activity when you are come here.